This time we have Hank. Hank is the motorized tender version. Needs some cleaning. We do have a lot of these models for fix and repair. So this is to be fixed. Actually, I need a battery cover. Just a few taps. It's working. So about the battery. Oh man, it's all filthy. Someone's cleaning the tenders. So we have the battery covers, 3D printed versions, and here are some battery covers for Edward. You can check my store on eBay. Yeah, this one's for Edward, Henry, Gordon, or James. No, this one is Edward. Another Henry. Yeah, this one. Okay, here's the difference. No, this is not. Anyway, so I do have to print more for James. This is the one actually for Hank. See how perfectly fits. There it is. Now we have completed Hank, and this needs to be cleaned out, and we are good to go. Check my eBay store. Now, in order to remove you need to pull this like the other, like the original one. You need to pull the tab, the back of the battery cover. There, you wanna see if it falls? It doesn't fall. Perfect fit. I can't even get it out, but there it goes. Check the link in the description for that. Now we have this model that needs to be fixed. Wow, this is in terrible condition. It's kind of broken. Actually, now that we have the battery covers in hand, let me check this one. Needs a little bit of cleaning. So here is what happened. I was trying to put the battery cover, but I don't know if you can see all this stress mark on the side of the tender. When you try to put it on, it's kind of bent towards inside. So here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to fix this problem. Actually, we need to remove the decals. I don't think it's going to work, but at least I'm going to try. It's kind of working a little bit. It might need a lot of heat, but see there, I move it, but it's not really good tender. I think I'm going to find, I need to get another tender. This one definitely is really bad. I will not be able to sell it unless I 3D print one, but I have no time. See, now it's very flexible. Yeah, I need to change that tender, but probably we can start fixing this. Still not going in. Kind of, there you go. Snap right in. Perfect fit. Now the problem is the tender needs to be replaced. Oh man, it's kind of hard actually. There it goes. Now, if we have the original, the good tender, this one is kind of crooked, you know, it's wavy like this. It's broken. We need to find a replacement. But in the meantime, I'm going to start working on this one. See all those rusty screws? I need to replace and rewire this model. We don't know yet if this actually, but definitely the tender, I don't like it. So I need to find a spare part. Now the most important thing is, the good thing is that we have the coupling, good coupling. This one needs to be washed. Sorry for the face, gonna be yellow. I'm not gonna fix that. Can be either painted, but I have a complete garage full of Thomas Merc that needs to be checked out. I mean a whole garage. You guys seen it before. It's a entirely complete big giant garage full of Thomas models. So what we're doing is we are cleaning at the same time. For a moment I thought we were missing these front wheels. This one is working, so somebody else is going. So I don't know, let me show you this. Can you see this? It does have like hole through the chassis, so probably that was the original idea, to put wheels on this model. Or maybe it's the version of the Trackmaster Revolution, other models, but this one is to just clean it. She's helping me clean the models, and I fix the rest. So in order to make a progress, I'm going to just check some engines. This one is working. I think we fixed it. See, we fixed this before, and she's going to clean the models while I'll just check. So I found this Emily. We need to replace this rubber tire. Look at this. Oh man, this is very old. Unless I found another Emily. I don't like this. Oh, that needs some cleaning. Okay, never mind. We found a good Emily. The only thing we need to do is swap the coupler. So here's what happened. I found a good motorizer Henry with motorizer tender. What are we going to do is, since this is in terrible condition, this is yellow, remember, tender is not good, but the problem with this one is that it does have a broken buffer. So I think we're just gonna swap, and I don't like the yellow thing, so we're gonna swap just the what do you call this, the running board. This is too pointy. Oh man, it's really like, it was kind of fused. I don't even need this. What am I doing? It's only this one. So anyways, we're going to swap just this part here. Where is the battery cover? Let me see. We have one right here. I think this was the one we were testing. I need to do some. Come on. Let me see. Oh, perfect. Perfect fit. See that, guys? Perfect fit. Now, I'm going to use this for as a spare parts. I'm going to just swap. I need to clean that part over there. Yeah, so that's the only idea I can come up. I mean, I have more tender. This is very bad. I can't. The only thing we can use are the battery terminals. I recommend you to use the battery terminals. You're gonna need them, and we have some spare parts. I don't know about the motor yet. I don't know if the motor works. This was kind of the bottom part of this motor was kind of very good. How can I say this? Condition. Oh yes, actually, what am I doing? I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm talking about. See, so I was right. So what we need to replace is. For a moment, I thought I needed just the bottom part, but anyways, this is the part we need to replace. See, when you have a lot of things in your mind, you don't even know what you're talking about. But anyways, we'll fix that. Still gonna use this part. We have good screw right over there. Okay, we need to send this for cleaning. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using rubbing alcohol. So you do good cleaning and this, like a disinfecting everything, and this will work perfectly. Yeah, everybody's busy now. All right, that is done. I need to continue. Perfect. Okay, screw is in place. I need to align this very careful. There you go. Perfect. Make sure I don't need this. This is the old one. We have a good one here. Where are my little weights? There. This is the middle wheel right here. Front wheel. I hope I can show. Yeah, that's the smaller one. It looks like the same size, but it's not the same size. Now here is an important part that needs to go in here. It is not easy. What you doing? What's that, Rex? It's my little dog touching my. You know what? What's the direction? Right here. It should go that way. And then I just align this side rods. It's gonna take me a little time. See, that's the important thing when you are editing. You just cut this all this part here, all this process. You just go boom, 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 and that's it. But since I'm not editing anything, I'm just trying to just record as it comes without cutting anything. But I think we're getting done with this model. That means we are getting complete Henry. We're gonna save all the other parts. We still use the old Henry. You know, we replaced this part was broken and it's fixed now. We have complete Henry, good tender, decals are good, decent, battery cover perfect, good to go. I mean, we just need to do some touch up and we're good to go.